Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will be creating our Silver Lakehouse and will begin loading the data from the Bronze Lakehouse that was created in our previous videos, and we will proceed through it so that we can set up and clean our data. Well, let's understand this concept. The purpose of creating a Silver Lakehouse is to simulate the medallion data storage pattern. So the Silver Lakehouse will provide a separation from your bronze layer, allowing you to start cleansing and shaping the data, right? So you can consider this as like, let's say you just opened up a new silver kitchen in your restaurant. So this will basically be a prep room where it cooks, cleans, slice, and stage all the ingredients before they are even used. So the Silver Lakehouse stores these cleaner, partially prepped ingredients separate from the basic raw storage, which is our Bronze Lakehouse. So the action which we'll perform here is we'll start by creating our new lakehouse. So you can click on new item and select Lakehouse from the list, and you can name this one as silver underscore lakehouse like this. Now, up until the previous videos, we have seen how we can get the data into a lakehouse by different methods. In this one, in this video, we will be creating a shortcut. So let's first understand what basically a shortcut is. Say sometimes you need fast access to semi-prepped ingredients, right, from a trusted supplier. In this case, it could be Azure Data Lake Gen 2, or it could be another lake house. So instead of bringing everything over each and every time, you just create a single shortcut, which basically is a direct pipeline to these external supplies. So they flow right into your silver kitchen without moving the originals. So that's how the shortcuts could help you, getting the data directly into your silver lakehouse without bringing them over each and every time. So in this scenario, we will be creating a shortcut from our another lakehouse. So you can click on get data here, click on new shortcut, and select Microsoft OneLake. You can also select external sources where you might be having some data, usually in Azure Data Lake Storage, or maybe in Amazon, AWS, GCP, or Power Platform. So once you click on one lake, you can select respective lake house, select the table which you want to bring in your Silver Lakehouse, and click create. Once you do that, your table will be loaded in your Silver Lakehouse. So we are good up and until this step. Now what we'll do is we will see how we can create a new notebook. So we will start by creating a notebook here. But why do we really need a notebook? So notebooks are basically used for data preparation. So consider this as some sort of special recipe notebooks to document, run, and refine the recipes for your ingredients. So they open up a notebook in a silver kitchen, pull in supplies from the bronze pantry, and start cleaning, right? So maybe we are just filtering for just some specific salespeople from the bulk list. So the notebook basically tracks these cleanup routines or transformations, ensuring that the ingredients are always ready for next step and cooking. So that's what notebooks would help you do. It will help you prepare and clean your data and also make it structured right here once we start preparing it. So from your Silver Lakehouse here, click on Open Notebook, select New Notebook. From here, you can rename it like maybe Notebook Write to Silver. Next, click on Lake Houses from the Explorer blade here and select Plus Lake House. So basically, we want to establish a connection with an existing lake house, which in our case is Bronze Lake House, so that we can bring in all the tables from here. And now the tables will be ready for transformation. So now we are ready. Our lake house is connected, and we have all the required tables from our Bronze Lakehouse. Now let's see how we can write the data to our silver. So you can click and drag this application people table from the Explorer to this first cell. Just remove the limit 1000 clause from here and hit Shift Enter. to execute this specific cell. So what this will do is this will start a Spark session using the single node default Spark pool which we created earlier, and then render a preview result. Do ensure that the first time the connection starts, it takes a while. It takes around 5 to 6 minutes to start the connection. But once the connection is started, you can start running and executing these queries. And you should be able to see the preview right at the bottom. Now, to write the new data frame to Silver Lakehouse, copy and paste the following command into your blank cell. What you can do is, let's say we want to assign Silver Lakehouse variable value like this. So we can write in silver underscore lakehouse equals to Silver Lakehouse. And then let's say we want to write a data frame to Silver. So now data frame underscore salesperson dot write dot format in the delta format, and the mode will be like we are overwriting it and then saving this as a table silver underscore lakehouse dot salesperson. So a very basic command, writing the data frame to Silver Lakehouse. This will ensure that the data is overwritten in delta format and then saved with this specific name. So that's how you use a notebook. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. In the next video, we will see how we can import a new notebook and then use that for our data preparation and cleaning operations.